Hey, Mike, another area that comes to mind is I had a recent conversation with a leader of IT at an MRO, and I asked him, I said, what's the biggest challenge or problem that you have today? And he immediately responded to me and said, well, on the induction of an aircraft, we get a lot of paperwork and documentation, and we have to immediately get into the process of planning. What can Ramco do to help people on receiving of documentation on an aircraft to make that more successful?
So within Ramco, we have a very robust e-publications module where essentially, OEM manuals such as AMMs, EMMs, IPCs, et cetera, can be ingested with the click of just a few buttons, and the relevant information such as the task cards, the task numbers, the material requirements, the part requirements. All of that information can be, intelligently parsed out and produced and, transformed into meaningful data such as task cards, which can then be made digitally alive, as I like to say, and then pushed to the shop or hangar floor where, we can perform, your technician can perform electronic sign off. All of the required manuals and things of that nature automatically come with that task card. So it's just a matter of looking through the mobile application, the iPad, and our Mechanic Anywhere application to find all the information that they need to perform the work seamlessly and quickly.
See, two important things that I'm thinking about there is one, if you can speed the receiving, in the planning process, that's one thing. The second thing is if you can actually create a better plan because you have more intelligent data, then you can really dramatically make an impact in the execution. That's really good. Hey, listen, Mike, it's really a good time in the industry because people are really wanting to optimize what they're doing and create efficiencies.